Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add a payee on Chase. So here's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can easily add a payee on Chase. So step 1, open the mobile app or go to the Chase website. Step 2, sign in with your username and password. Then step 3, from the menu select pay and transfer. Then on step 4, tap on pay bills or add a payee. So on step 5, choose either you want to add a company like utility or credit card or an individual. Then on step 6, enter the payee's details such as name, account number and billing address for company or full name and address for individual. Then on step 7, you have to double check the information and tap next. Then step 8, save the payee by tapping add payee. Then from there you can now see, or you can now use this payee whenever you make a payment through Chase. And that's how you can successfully add payee on Chase. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more video guide.